What up, what up, what up, y'all? We back up in these streets. We out here. Okay, look, we doing this here thing. Today is day 2 of the Great Declutter Challenge. Okay, so how'd y'all do yesterday? Doing with the bedroom. It was late last night, so I didn't do my bedroom yet, but I will be doing my bedroom. But oh my God, today, we're going to be talking about another spot that is a pain in the butt. Yes, right. So, in case I snuck up on you, welcome to day 2 of the Great Declutter Challenge. Yesterday we tackled the bedroom. Today we're talking about another clutter hotspot, the closet. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. Look, your closet is one of the most important spaces in your home, but it also can be one of the most cluttered. Don't ask me how I know. Okay. If you see what's going on in my closet right now, oh my God, there will be photographic evidence. Okay. I will shame myself because, I got to clean this thing up. But anyway, that's why today's task is clean out your closets. Right. So yeah, we're going to be tackling this today, and we're going to come at this at a systematized kind of way. Okay. So just in case you're wondering, what are you talking about, Michelle? What system? I just put a link on the screen. It's called lbcbranding.link/declutter. That's where you're going to get the guide to go with this month's challenge. It'll help you stay focused on all things. Okay. So yeah, it'll help you, come up with a procedure for doing all the things. Right. So you could do that. Right. And it only costs like a cup of coffee. So, you'll have the whole thing for the whole month. Anywho's, so this is what we're doing today, right? So there are the 3 spots. We're going to come up with a plan. So are you going to do the long stuff? Like if you have dresses, if you're girls, if you're a guy, I don't know, tall stuff, right? You got tall stuff, then you got short stuff, like, your shirts and your slacks or whatever. And then shoes, if jewelry, whatever. Okay. It's a lot. Okay. I know it's a lot for me. So OMG. So this way we're going to come up with a plan, right? Once we have a plan in place, right? Now we can start tackling the closet one section at a time. See what I did there? Organize. Okay. Take time to declutter, organize, and clean each section until it's tidy and functional. Just trust me, you'll feel much better. You'll feel much better when your closet is organized and clutter free. So that is our plan. That is our plan for today. We're going to be organizing our closets. Okay. So once again, don't forget, remember to download the full guide at lbcbranding.link/declutter to help you stay on track. So first of all, look at this. just look at this closet. Okay. I mean, wouldn't you want your closet to look like this? I mean, I'm mad jelly about how deep it is. That's number 1. Okay. I really want this closet, but goals. I'm gonna get this closet. But anyways, thank you so much for joining me on day 2 of our Great Declutter Challenge. We will see you tomorrow for yet another space that we have to declutter. So yeah, your closet could look like this. So go clean it up. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.